Hi everyone. So in this lecture, we will teach you about JavaScript break here. The break statement in JavaScript is used to stop the execution of a loop or a switch statement immediately, even if the loop condition is still true. So it is just stopping your loops inside the like for loop, while loop, do while loop, or in the switch statement. So basically, it jump out of the loop for switch. Control move to the next line after the loop switch. Here loop switch. So here we have how it is a break in loops. Here how it is works. With JavaScript, see a break inside a loop. This is here break statement inside a loop. Loop means inside a for loop, while loop, do while loop. Okay. So when JavaScript see the break inside a loop, it stops the loop immediately. No more iterations run. The program continue after the loops. So here is the example. Here stop the loop when I become 3. So here you can understand it. Okay, it is very simple. So this is here. I'm going to create a for let I here replace light. That is I is equal to 0, then colon, semicolon. I it is less than to 10, then colon, semicolon, I plus plus. Then inside it here we will stop the loop completely when I is 3. Okay, so we will check the condition if I it is equal, okay, the thing here I, if I it is equal to 3. Okay, then inside it here stop the loop completely when I it is 3. Just here you have to break a statement. Okay, about this break statement you say the definition. JavaScript break statement. So you see the break statement in JavaScript, which is used to stop the execution, okay, of a loop or switch statement inside it. So this is here your break statement. Outside it here we will console.log run only for I it is equal to 0, I it is equal to 1, I it is equal to 2. So this is okay. Here you have to write the console.log the number is here plus it is plus I. Okay, then outside. Okay, so it is fine. It is runs only for I is equal to 0, 1 and 2. So here we have like, suppose here what happened, let I is equal to 0. Okay, loop start with I is equal to 0, then print 0. Okay, here we will print 0 value console.log. Then after that here we will increment. Okay, it is now 2. So 2 it is okay. Okay, now 2 it is 1. Okay, after 0 it is 1. So 1 it is less than 10, it is 2. So that's why we will check the other conditions inside here. It is a 1, it is equal to 3. No, so this condition will be false. So we will not execute on this break statement. Directly we will execute on this code. So we will print the 1. Okay, after that here we will increment your value, it is 2. So we will check the condition. 2 it is less than 10. Yes, it is true. So 2 it is equal to 3. Here it is false. So that's why here we will go outside it here, this if conditions, and we will print this. Okay, this console.log. Okay, so if it is the print it is 2, then you have to continue. Then when I is equal to 3, I is equal to 3. When I is 3, then condition I is equal to 3 become true. Now it is true. Then here break run. This code will be executed here. Break runs. Loop stop instantly, and then here value, that is a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are not printed. So let me, okay, you have to execute these files. This is a file 24. So see this. Just here you have to execute that files, and you see the result. The number is 0. The number is here. It is 1. The number is 2. Okay. When I become 3, this condition will be true. Here it is 3. Then 3 it is equal to 3. It is 2. So if it is true, then this break statement will be executed here. And if it is executed, then we will jump instantly outside of this for loop. Okay, so here we have another thing about we will explain with switch cases. Here break in a switch statement. Why break is imported inside switch. Break prevent fall through. Here without break JavaScript continue to execute in the next case even if it does not match. So here will be example. Here example find weekday names. So just here switch statement inside here new date dot get day. Okay, it will be give you current date number. Okay, like 0 1 2 3 5 6. Here you have to check the case first case. If it is 0, then here what? Okay, it is colon. Then inside it here we have day. What date is equal to Sunday. Okay, then stop after the matching case. So that's why we will use the break statement, and then we have a case first. Then here it's below day. It is equal to this is Monday. Then it is Monday. Then here it is a break statement. Outside here we have case. This is case 2. It is colon. The next about here 0 1 2. Okay, here you have to write in days. Date it is equal to Tuesday. Tuesday. Then it is a break. Okay, stop after the matching case, and then case 3. So here I'm going to copy paste now. Now it is about 2, then it is 3, then it is 4th, after that it is 5th. Okay, then one more, it is 6. Copy that, paste it here. It is a case 6. Then this is about second day. Then here we have Wednesday. This is here. Here let me remove this. Here you write Wednesday. Okay, then here we have Thursday. Okay, here write the Thursday. This is a Thursday. Then here we have Friday. Then we have Saturday. So this is here Saturday. Here you have to write Saturday. This is now. Okay, so this is your loop. Then outside it here you can console.log your days. Console dot log here your days. Okay, it is here you print slice let date is equal to just empty strings. Okay, so here in this case here when one case match break make sure only that case run, not next case do not run. Okay, so now today. Okay, let me also here here we will console.log so that you can understand what is today. Here console.log, then this is your today date. Basically here it will be return the number from 0 to 6 here, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this one we will match in the case like 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So let me execute that case, then you will get your result. Function get this. Why it is get this? This is something here. Let me check it here. Function date dot. Okay, I know this is here. It is function. I forget to write date. This is here. Okay, so that's why you will get this, and you see today it is 4th day of the week, and that's why it is Thursday. Okay, so here whenever a case match like it is 4th. Okay, Then if it is match here, then we will just print this and go outside this switch cases. Here what happen, guys, if you, this is here, if you not define, okay, or not define, okay, I mean here you to remove your break. Okay, then in that case here what happen, inside switch break prevent fall through. Okay, if you remove that, then what happen, JavaScript continue to execute in the next cases even if it does not match. You say today it is fourth day, but here we will also execute this one, day Friday and day Thursday. So let me check it here what happen. Okay, the thing here, okay, because console.log here you have outside. Okay, so here you can active, here you can add dates. So let me check it here. Just simply you will get your answers. So here you have to print, then comment, this is, let me try to execute, and this is here CLS. Today it is Thursday and it is 4th. Why it is not printing? Okay, so it is like this case it is match, it is true, but here we have break statement, so that's why here. Then if you remove it, then in that case you see here your all the result. Okay, Thursday, Friday, Saturdays, got it. So I hope you got. You see here, this is my 4th case, it is 2, but still we will get in the result your this case 5, case 6, because you will forget to write your break statement after case match here. Okay, so that's why it is cause this one. Okay, so now you will got the idea about your break statement. Then we have to comment and move to the next sections. Comment here, then here next case do not run accidentally. Then here we have about JavaScript labels advanced features. So inside it here or label let you control the code flow, especially in nested loop using the break label name. Okay, here you see when one case matches, break makes your only that case run. Next cases do not run accidentally. Got it? I hope you got about idea and this break statement inside a switch. Okay, inside switch statement and as well as inside a for loop, while loop, and do while loops. Got it?